Hi, I'm Megan Hall, and welcome back to the Gen AI Toolbox, where I test and rate one generative AI tool every week so you don't have to. This week, I tested Wordtune, which is an AI copywriting tool that helps to rewrite and generate copy for emails, short form content, and long form content. It has a Google Chrome plugin, but it also has a website that users can access. I tested the free version, which allows you to do 10 quote unquote rewrites each day, but the premium version costs $10 a month when billed annually and allows for unlimited use of the tool. I tested two types of content on Wordtune. One was an email that I would send out day to day in my work asking to interview someone for our site, and another one was a short form piece of content about innovation methodologies. Wordtune can rewrite for you based on the tone that you're trying to emulate, and its most common two tones are casual and formal. But I mostly wanted to test the keep writing feature, which generates text based on what you've already written. I found that this didn't do particularly well in the email because it didn't pick up the context that I was trying to interview someone else. It thought that I was trying to convince someone to interview me for a job, which was not the case, so the email was pretty much unusable had I not edited it. It did do much better with the short form content, which was focused on innovation methodologies. And you can see here that I started it with simple sentences like, one of the most popular innovation methodologies is design thinking. And from there, I asked it to generate the next few sentences. While its writing is a bit robotic in places, the content does make sense, and it was able to generate information about other methodologies beyond design thinking, too. As a reminder, I'll be rating each tool out of 5 stars based on the following criteria: ease of learning, time saved, quality of the end product, overall value, and practicality. I'll give Wordtune 3.5 out of 5 stars. It is incredibly easy to use, and the quality of the end product is fairly good, but not incredible. Where I think that I'm a little bit skeptical is time saved. If the idea is that you're supposed to be able to copy and paste this content based on what it generates, I don't think that this tool is there yet. It's still fairly robotic, and so it requires some editing to make it sound more human. And of course, you would still need to fact check anything that was generated if you were using it for something important. I do really like that you're able to test this tool with a fairly generous free version, and I don't think that the cost is exorbitant if you were going to be using it a lot. I think that it would be good for batch emails or maybe for writing notes for a meeting, but I'm not sure that it's there for the short and long form content yet. Thanks for watching episode 9 of the Gen AI Toolbox, and I hope you'll tune in for more soon.